When ribbon out appears on the front panel display, remove the used ribbon. Open the printhead. Turn the ribbon take-up spindle counterclockwise to wind up the used ribbon. Pull the spool of used ribbon off and discard. Pull the empty spool off of the ribbon supply spindle and discard. Load a new roll of ribbon. Bring the ribbon under the printhead and wrap it around the ribbon take-up spindle. Turn the spindle to remove any ribbon slack. Close the printhead. Close the media door. Press pause to enable printing.